A few people have been asking what the new cigar box ukulele sounds like, so I thought I'd do a little video so you could hear that. As a point of comparison, this is the ukulele my first build, which is a traditional kind of body with a spruce top. So it's got a kind of a classically mellow ukulele sound, but with a lot of sustain. Yeah, and just kind of nice and mellow and warm. By comparison, the cigar box ukulele that I just built. So this is obviously a much thinner body, and what I've done is put a paint can lid here as a resonator. So this has a hardtail made out of picture hooks, and then the strings come over this floating bridge, just a little piece of spruce with some notches in it, and resonate first on this paint can lid, but also with the body. This is a tea strainer that I used for the screen on the sound hole, kind of a traditional resonator guitar kind of thing. And this guy, as you can imagine, is a lot twangier, which is really kind of fun. So one of the things I like about that is you can do a bit of a kind of a banjo roll. Twangy. It likes sevenths. Also great for blues. So, as you can see, just a real fun instrument for blues, for jug band and hokum, and just all kinds of fun folk and that kind of music that calls for a bit of attitude and sass. So I love it, and it was not expensive to make and a lot of fun to do. Just to put in some of the details and things. The one thing I may do is these friction tuners are really hard to use to get a good tuning, so I may replace those with open gear tuners. Other than that, yeah, really happy with it, having a lot of fun. I recommend it to anyone, and the paint lid really adds again a bit of attitude to this particular instrument. So anyway, that's what it sounds like.